My name is Jordan Belfort. Not him. Me. That's right. I'm a former member of the middle class raised by two accountants in a tiny apartment in Bayside, Queens. The year I turned 26 as the head of my own brokerage firm, I made $49 million, which really pissed me off because it was $3 shy of $1 million a week.
But how much money you made?
I don't know, 70,000 last month.
The fuck? The fuck out of here.
I'm serious.
Yeah, no, I'm serious too. Seriously, how much money you made?
I told you, 70,000. Well, technically 72,000 last month.